Ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, then on notification no, so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I'll share. Usambeka biama washe.
Ya man appointment. No didn't throw two penny for so. Bible yenton sense the bush for.
Yeah.
Obi ebusu ni wa bla bo. Yenton sense no me yi. Don sa me kan sha menem. Bible kan. Abrante we ko gina baby ko di Dr. Bamiatim. So onye Muslim papa. No free ayi ofri free masala chara ko she akutu for dem no to ayira me boa.
Yeah.
O ka asem no ade che no. O sa de bia baby e dane no me de ma wo. O ka asem no wi ade che no no ko gina son dem. O je Muslim. No se jalabia aza ayi brown color bi. No just no born nsem. Na ofisa wo ye hwan.
Yeah.
Ofisa na wo ye hwan. Because of unti who might go how kunsi amana how kunsi na menya na do man ko wuye. Because to me I open ti ikuta unti. Nenne ya bi fa ya le den fansere. But me kan cho me bompa ma za honto. E do de me nka. Usuban no abra bo na boye no. Bompa ye. Ne wura de fa bo ne de enchewo. Ne wura de sansa ya le na me de me nka se me bompa ma za honto. Ende ensi o mabra bom. Because suba da din na honfa akatua na yede ene wanya no twa body bi twa body udua banche bitu banche
after say why you say debate no ko enta 2012 debate no be ko di trogu na nado say na nado akwadun so nkran fo so down say di pano say yini ni to no
Yeah.
boy na okoka say na nado akwadun so nkran fo so down 2012 elections yini na yini ne to na ansa na o so e che o say Bible can say voice say uhun to kwakon awurade en kubi ma ti o ka to Dr. Mahmood Bawumia say doctor enya kremu ni papa na o wi brako no say ka doctor yi na no a nka dem say nka doctor no akon to kwa be since doctor yi na no dem say ujan to kwa na awurade ti say awurade ye den e kun to kwa na dem ti yena e boom hey na me 150k una something k voice yes ye kan fu dua fro no na e ka afọ chacha ye kan fu na se wo da wa obiri na bit ma kan so nyame so ya de na so pains ne de wo hwidi m ne gina
Yeah.
ni bit ma ya ne so nyame so ya de nyame e ma hoden o but pains no pains ya na won na mu nkwa na we de nkwa na wo te
Okay.
nti edu baby a amanyo se na ye no yem to ye boase me mfanya amanyo sem no voice me yoruma ni mapa roman fo edu good friend na se ye ko me mu do akwantu a se ka ye ba ko bo se ye so la ye de ya no die wu o se ye de ya no e die wu nsema eni yetin ka sem tu ye nua so
Yeah.
itin de ya no e die nua wu bi ena basantare de Dr. Mahmood Bawumia se eho offense na ti se Bawumia kramoni mapa ti Bawumia na uti ko tane ho national television se o reprako onya kramoni papa wise aso ye ka enyame de se menua no yale nti be se yakopon se yakopon na ene ensa na yade na voice me de meka se ba wi no Dr. Mahmood Bawumia akato na bro voice ye de wo fem baby a kono duru Dr. Arene wi nanso ye free ubo football ye free bibi game management wa wi na wi bet se one manage ni ya last one ni metimusi mesre ya yi doctor anima especially ya ye ni wo the various constituencies ye obi anim se ye doctor adwuma no e free samre ko ye massage communicate fa so e be kasa ya na muntu bi betu bia no ye hwe ni ye because amanfo hu se enye ye nti wo asema be kan bia no bit ma twist no se bia nipa boye ne ebu fi Dr. Mahmood Bawumia most especially brunya ya e be 2023 voice me experience bi wo hwa na ya free ya tise Dr. de brunya diabo ntre nya fa hwemayo na ya carton from mo nse won how be communicate ni ya na ba be ye nti be sere especially brunya ya e be se bibi ba mumu obi ehu bibi ama mumu obi an den ehu se be ya enkofo wontwi bia den emma de various constituencies na Dr. Nkunim di na yinim se obedi no honti na nye frenchim na enya kono se be ya iwia doctor ho be ya kono Ghana fo nyina anim se be atumi ni bit maji 2028 voice agogo nshirawo
so voice of
good morning.
Yeah, Joseph. Mr. Cobbler, Mr. Okasa.
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm what to say.
Yes, I don't know what
Eliamiasi. Radadum, do my DNJ because the Intimina on the name. They say, see when.
Yes, I work at Kobutu.
Good morning.
This is when. I mean, beautiful look at baby will be riding canoe.
Amen.
And half a pa, my cousin. Riding canoe, why? Every now and then, I see Dr. Mahmoud be a minority. Me buso. Ghana had a minority. New patriotic party na ono. Tama ye event say UP no. One more majority nordness me wa. E barza mo je bodi ma ye papa event say no obuni. Umu jama no. Je bi dankwa ene mpanifo so mo no mo ye omkuta mo wo aha to mo mesom omanya trabao. So ko ba so be trabao no kuta 15 seat. And come back to them. I can put majority in Trumba to my say, man. But to make the Casa Debbie, Yenyama, Jebidan Quaran and Coffo. I don't be ditchy, and your boom your partner, and there must be minority. Obey a minority, no, and another year 2 weeks with Janaba to hold a campaign, and won't be your appointment. Mubenya Musica dear. Mubenya board to the die. I did contract ECG other pie institutions, and your musica. More with a minority. Well, but the American say, so be a minority dear, ye papa me. That's also come minority for no, but on almost man running meet. Ye ma me a event say, the what my voice ye, event say, Natoshi. Also minority. It is on the mind, it's also for them scat bending. Papa Momana. The messenger say, no matter any deco, besides, no way in the power, can you boom, bit me as one panimi, no fun of any, as seen in Aso. What said the number wedding tino? And I did the cotton fin. We may go, you may go to the devil fin a come boom. And that's some part. Dr. Mamabit made a end to me. And the Oman Penic for call me, you know. You have a pet who had no cobacco in a sign of Penic for 96. It do better than the Pepsi Sink and so on Penic for a more non contact solity and mebois. JB, and it's
Sintale, we go good them.
Yede Nyamiasi. Se obi se obedi Ghana for enim NDC for enim mo say Ghana niema ada Ghana for bia elections on fan ho totroto eni it is a sanity which after this me akwa hwehwem I know say
Basintale say ya boa omra public
me ti say
Adai Basintale adai
when you stroke hey
Yede Nyamiasi
obi obeka say tia na na do bia guy no kan
am pampa but na no ma hu ani ni pictures a na irenyem sa na ire na wo sesen
any say na make no information a oso wanya enti yeso ye ba kohwe
ma hu pictures bi sa mi idea
ye be na Nyamiasi say sa
oh they be na Nyamiasi
na bonia
the friend pama atem di odidi doc nana doing
bonia wadi wo man ni mu no osefata enti me de me twan se sa na beto no so for say na make no
na mo kasa
nipa bonefo say na make no NDC aban NDC aban nya ban ya betima bo o man Ghana enkokọ me yensa na wode akosi Kumasi
ama bo shesi
enkokọ me yensa no enya de a Ghana fo ebeji atom asanteman mama onye ntom enkokọ me yensa wonti mfa me da asanteman say enu nti yento aba ma wen me hu say enipa bebi
na mo nyina masisi
anya mo you know nonsense
mama me classes na mko mu ntia ko classes you mate oh minyanru de yankasa Basantale asam na enokre
hey
erade ai enokre abronya kra kan no anadwo
abronya onyo oncho yes
enokre we so say person action no oh why asam so say na asam na nya nokra no wonka
Oh yes.
On fire here saying castle.
Oh.
Or
I didn't say yale because what I'm
Pansane yale.
Omo ku brofo ma no ya na ya de omo na yan Maya.
No better one for so my anymore I see a man or no.
Almost that bread.
Maya na
more than almost monthly.
I do my from Boma.
Oh, that's any.
I don't me asking.
Nipenya.
Yes.
I mean when the pictures do and the extra pictures and it out.
I already do monaso. Oh, where come off right.
That's all classes.
Ayo.
And as I say, I like you so about the power your friend say. A friend say, a minister of a friend.
A crema yet, you were honey at someone near do a cushion back as a connequay.
I will find where deeper.
Okay, once fail cry.
Now I treasure.
We have one
Nay, has over your passport, crab at treasure.
I do so.
Lucy.
So this time they will not entertain that. It will himself pertemana. Come and tell us what you can do to help the party to rein power.
Let's see the
come and tell us. Yes, come and tell us. Give us the realistic reason. Tell us how you are going to implement it. And that is what we are going to do. And I pray and hope that people who will come, there will be people who are patriotic to the party. There will be people who are not individualistic. People who are prepared to fight for the party to come to power. Yeah, may you croak the job here. Yeah, may you croak the job here because time now you drew no sabotage no adoption. And seriously, so be what 4 million votes at the home. Obi of 4 million votes within the party. Now we catch them so no more now 2 million aka na wa wo ba beje no wo na ho ya kono na di 2 million we have 4 million one de be ma 4 million na wo so mo ho nya kono no one de be ma. Me, if Dr. Bawumia wins today, I know that there's not going to be any problem in the party. I'm telling you. Because whatever problem they will cause in the party, they will cause it 2023 and 2024. And everybody knows it. Even their sabotage, we all know it. But from the things, say, Nyame Fasa Mo, Obifu Frobia Benya, Afeno Ononsu, Oba Bekun, a fresh battle. Who is going to defend that? Who is going to defend that? And that is why we need
the sabotage about Dr.
Brian campaign.
Yes.
Dangerous. They say, we will be contest. Now opposition now who contest no leader no paper facing opposition ni mom dey choose leader am Charlie, you have to be careful.
Akwana obeka
you have to be extra careful.
Akwana obeka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sorry o ra sorry dem or we preko or we say no
Neshua hono ye kotwa
yes say or London na media
you try to show akra no bebu ade
me mo obi adin yes wo London na wo sa no
media me see ye kotwa na show ye try to show na ntonkone
obi adin
God bless obi adin
so akra kiti utimi twa ntro kase to panimu so breaking news report they have not seen anything because Akufo-Addo were almost 83 years. 83 years. Na mo nkran kiti mo twantra to no so nkran kiti musi onwu won nyame nkuni free wiase 83 years ayagro. And then you are painting this man evil. Man
COVID by 6 months, na teacher for mun kotra de no obi adi pay. Hwe me ne mo ka say Ghana problem on. Anya Ghana for nyina ne akoso. Ghana problem emu 98%
Check your dear.
Let's put the Ghana problem.
1,000 man as someone they no okay what motos wa. Would that be a less?
We need 1,000.
Yeah, we need 1,000 man ke 1,000 man as one. Yeah, no Timotos ya no kuta yi to say yi say or kojina yi no or yet says the way so jani penny. No. Ono so akwatinti ya no oh mehuno
ya kana ase no star prayer ya kana ase me kase obi se me say said you were in the position na reach TV3 for ni Metro TV for man na wa promise enya asem ketwa small boy enya asem ketwa mi junior small boy but said you was the every woman no any boss akese obi anka ho hwe na wo bra panyini na wo kotwa ntrato wo bra panyin so wo nana panyini te say Kufuado wo sawo ni nana ne Kufuado
please my brother does not eat pork. The kind of demonic propaganda na benya hoto some of them they will get this money but say o benya hoto
Alhaji Muntaka said it also the kind so no it is not true that my brother Bawumia to eat pork. Alhaji Muntaka. At the end of the day, what me spread the falsehood against the man without an evidence. Nene, nyamia ya nadom, na se wa pepa no ho awie, no osaba nyame ntua muka, nyambe tua muka papa. Now to yaya MPP for amoya mo adwene se, mubegu Dr. Bawumia ho fin, me ka no kra kire mu se. Vice President, and you automatic say presidential candidate be do obi bako 8 years o yamtira obabia opa uko 2 years kura na momodi obeyi afiri ho opa uko 4 years no anya hwe obeyi afiri ho say Dr. Bawumia no onya ade anka Kufuado won fa ne nko second term eti Dr. Bawumia waboa no ho ama ni nyankopon ahira no ama baabi aduru no party ni sunsum nyina ta Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia chi eti na me kasa se MPP ni a me de anya mafu na me de nam menya selfish na me dwene party no ho adwene Ghana fo won say so obi o party no adwene say we are more popular than Tamama
big man agune chamba rap
up me and me wrap it up so obi o party no adwene say we are popular saying Dr. Bawumia, we influential saying Dr. Bawumia, Ghana for donation saying Dr. Bawumia, me party CPP agu onkofa no family power, Madam Ase.